Dito sa Barangay 143.
Hello, Mike.
Oh, hello, Bobby!
Itatanong ko lang sana, baka may natatago ka pang mga lumang picture niya eh. Yung sa Boracay.
At nakita ko doon ang litrato ni Jack at ni Yumi. Nadiskubre mo na ang tungkol kay Bren.
My parents are very excited already. I told you. They've been pestering me about this engagement dinner for months, right?
I didn't tell my parents.
What do you mean?
Chino, you're a great guy. You take care of me. You're always there for me. I'm sorry, Chino.
You are not going to the Philippines!
I'm doing this for myself.
Mabuhay! Welcome to the Philippines! My name is Melvin, and I will be your tour guide. Today, we are heading to the beautiful island of Boracay.
Wow, this place is beautiful. Wow, a game! Si Yumi.
Just call me Miguel. What do you want to do?
I want to travel and see the world, to have fun. I guess this is my version of running naked in the ocean.
What are you doing?
Let's jump.
There are so many things that could go wrong.
What if we make it? What if we conquer our fear? That was awesome!
Sa wakas! Nagpakita rin ng team captain natin!
Saan ka ba galing? Buong araw kang nawala.
Diyan lang, sa tabi-tabi.
Waiter! Yun yung gwaping ni Yumi ah. Akala ko ba magkasama silang dalawa ngayon?
Kanina pa tawag ng tawag ang misis mo.
Hello? Sophia? Naiwan ko sa hotel room eh. Huh? Yumi?
Who is Sophia?
She's my... Yumi, please, let me explain.
She's your wife? The one you conveniently forgot to tell me about?
Yumi, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to lie to you.
But you did! You lied to me!
Yumi, please, let me explain.
Stay away from me!
Yumi!
Yumi? Oh my gosh. Ayos ka lang ba? Kung alam ko lang, hindi na sana kita pinayagan sumama sa kanya. He told me you might be here. He left already. He took the last trip. I was going to tear this apart, but I thought I'd let you do it.
Thanks. Dearest Yumi, itong nakaraang 3 araw, ang pinakamasayang mga araw ng buhay ko. Sana balang araw mapatawad mo ko. Mahal na mahal kita, M.
So, how did the job interview go?
I got it.
Congratulations! See, I told you. 5th time's a charm. Why do you look so gloomy? Look, I know it's not the same as your old job, but it's a start, right?
Of course.
Just give it some time. You'll see, everything's going to be fine.
What would I do without you? 안녕하세요.
Welcome to Memory Cafe. May I take your order? I'd like some peppermint tea with a little bit of honey and a slice of apple pie. What's wrong with her? Yumi, are you okay? Yumi! Huh? Her hands are cold. Get her some water. Breathe, young lady. It's all right. Just breathe. Huh? Your pulse. It's rolling. Oh, dear. I think congratulations are in order.
What? What are you saying?
Might be too early to confirm, but dear, I think you're pregnant.
Huh? Oh. What am I going to do? How do I raise a child by myself?
You need to tell your parents.
I can't! They'll kill me! They already hate me right now.
They'll still find out eventually. How about Miguel? Are you going to tell him? He is the father. He has to know.
He has a family, a wife and a son. No! I
It's
really
okay.
don't know.
You'll figure this out. We'll figure this out.
Magkukwento ka ba o hindi? Ilang buwan ka ng ganyan, ha?
Bobby, may nakilala ako sa Boracay.
Nakilala?
Babae.
May nangyari ba sa inyo? Ano nangyari to?
Hindi ko alam. Bobby, kilala mo ako. Kahit kailan di ako gumagawa ng kalokohan. Pero, iba siya eh. Gusto ko siyang hanapin. Gusto ko siyang sundan. Ngayon lang ako nakaramdam ng ganito.
Naririnig mo ba sinasabi mo, Jack? May asawa ka na. At si Wax, paano anak mo? Di mo ba sila naiisip? Tatalikuran mo ba sila para lang sa babae na saglit mo lang nakilala?
Hindi. Hindi ko alam. Bobby, hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko.
Kalimutan mo na siya, Tol. Huwag mong sisiraan yung pamilya mo.
Auntie, Uncle, Yumi, how are you?
Gino, Mr. and Mrs. Park. It's been a while.
Oh, yes, it has.
Auntie? Uncle? It's good to see you.
How have you been, dear?
I've been okay.
Yumi! Yumi! You're awake.
Gino,
How are you feeling?
not so well. Mother, Father.
What happened?
Are you all right? You gave us quite a scare.
No, I'm fine. I'm sorry.
Sorry? Why are you sorry?
Are you sick?
Did someone hurt you?
No, wait, Mom.
I'm sorry, Uncle, Auntie, Mom and Dad. I'm sorry you had to find out this way. We wanted to tell you sooner, but we couldn't find the right time. We're sorry.
Son, what do you mean?
Gino, don't. You don't have to do this.
Yumi, it's all right. It's time to tell them. Mom and Dad, Uncle and Auntie, I'm the father of the baby. And Yumi and I would like to get married as soon as possible.
Gino, why did you tell everyone you're the father of my child? Why did you do that?
I'm not really sure why. All I know is that I couldn't bear to see you crying like that. I just wanted you to stop. When the doctors told us why you were unconscious, at first I was so mad. We've only been separated for a month and now you're pregnant. But while I was waiting for you to wake up, I thought of how you were feeling. I imagined how scared you must be. It's not easy raising a family, especially to raise a kid by yourself. You must be terrified.
I am. I'm terrified. But Gino, this is my mistake. This is something I have to deal with by myself.
You don't have to. I'm here for you. I'll always be here for you, Yum.
That's very generous of you, but I can't be unfair to you, Gino. I've already hurt you enough for breaking your heart. You don't deserve this.
It doesn't matter to me. All that matters to me is that you're okay. I love you, and nothing has changed that, not even this. If you let me, I want to take care of you and your baby. I will love him like he was my own. I will love him like I love you. He will be my son, and no one will ever know the truth. What do you say, Yumi?
I want you to know the truth. And if at the end of it, you still want to marry me, then I'll give this a chance. I don't want secrets between us.
Okay, no secrets.
Presenting for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Park.
아이고, 우리 아들아. 아이고, 아들아. 우이, 아.
Come on, Yumi! Join in the fun!
Okay, suit yourself.
아들아, 아들, 아들아. 아이고, 우리 아들아.
I'll just put this in Bren's room. Melvin, I told you I don't want to know about him.
But Yumi, he's the father of your baby. Don't you think he deserves to know?
Gino is the father of my baby. He's been there for me, for us since the beginning. Telling Miguel, Jack, whoever the hell he is, about this child will not do anybody any good. It'll just complicate things.
I have his address there, in case you change your mind. Please think about this, Yumi. Secrets like this, they eventually find a way to reveal themselves.
Did I tell him about you? But what good will it do? Dear Miguel, I'm not sure you will remember me. Although we spent 3 wonderful days together, I'm not sure if that meant to you as much as it did to me, or if I'm just one of your countless others. Frankly, I'm hoping it's the latter. In truth, I actually have no desire to contact you. When things ended, that should have been it. But here I am writing. I think it's only fair that you find out the truth from me. Our affair had borne us a son.
Our affair had borne us a son!
Jack, naalala mo si Pepper? Inimbitan niya kami ni Sarah mamasyal.
Okay.
Ilang araw lang naman.
Isasama mo ba si Wax?
Hindi. I'm going out of the country.
Really? Saan?
I'm going to Korea. Balita ko maganda ang Korea this time of year.
Ganun ba?
Well, actually, Pepper wants to go because she's hunting her husband's mistress.
Kung pupunta ka sa Korea, mamasyal ka na lang. Mag-shopping. Huwag mo ubusin yung pera mo sa walang kwentang bagay.
Hindi ka naman ganun kaganda. What did my husband see in you? Hi.
Hi.
Can I ask a question? Do you know which direction is the Azuko Hotel? I was going for a walk, and then one wrong turn led to another. Now I don't have any idea where I am.
How long were you walking? Azuko is half an hour away from here.
What? Oh my gosh, that must be why I'm so tired. I guess it's my fault for not listening to my sister. She must be worried sick by now. Is there a public phone here I can use to call her? Because I left my cell phone in the hotel.
Not sure. My husband and I just moved here a few months ago.
That's all right. Well, I'll get going then. Maybe I can find a phone somewhere.
Wait, we have a phone at home. You can use it to call your sister. We don't live very far.
Oh, I wouldn't want to impose.
No, not at all.
Are you sure? Oh, thank you very much. You are so kind. I'm Alice, by the way.
I'm Yumi. Come in. Make yourself comfortable.
You have a very lovely home.
Thanks.
What a tacky
The phone is
place.
over there. I'm just going to put my son in his room.
Again, Yumi, thank you for being so kind.
Don't mention it. Have you talked to your sister?
Oh, yes. She was so relieved.
Oh, that's good to hear. Anyway, I was just about to make some coffee. Would you like a cup before you go?
That would be great.
Make yourself at home. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Ikaw ang sisira sa pamilya ko. Kayo ng nanay mong malandi. Hindi ako papayag na masira mo ang pamilya ko.
Alice? Alice? Bren!
Ang magama ko. Tamang-tama ang dating ninyo. Dinner's ready. Oh, how I missed my babies.
Akala ko bukas ka pa babalik. Bakit hindi mo ako tinawagan para nasundo kita sa airport?
I missed you.
Ganun ba?
Bigla ko kasi kayong naalala ni Wax, and I just had to come home. Kain na tayo? I cooked. Oh. By the way, I got a call from Denise, yung friend ko na realtor. She found a house that she thinks we might like. Let's just take a look at it. Please?
Sige, tingnan natin.
Hinding-hindi ako papayag na